Hello and welcome everybody. BYND stock on 28th November. Let's see that step by step. If you are new to this video, don't forget to watch this video until the end. Subscribe for more price predictions that can be available. And let's start with 1 week update. So absolutely 1 week update gives you the number of candles going to be less or lower, less than the number of the green candles, or maybe less than the number of what happens on one day, and also 1 month is going to be less than the number of 1 week. So absolutely the thing is that we should focus on BYND stock or beyond stock is going to be about this last part, okay, that decreased in momentum. So let's see how many candles that are going to be on 1 week update. Okay, maybe about or 7 8 red candles. If we went for one day, it's going to be larger, and maybe it can reach about 20 candles, red candles, and about 10 green candles. So that is the difference only, guys, and hope you benefit from this video.